This is just a quick opening box video of a camera security system. It's an 8th channel 4-camera system that I purchased from Costco. Pretty decent price, $2.99. I don't think you can beat it. And so let's take this out. This is how the box looks like. Okay, so let's open it. Sorry for the shaky camera, I just wanted to do it quick, so I'm using actually my phone. I got kind of lazy. Alright, security camera systems, technical support. Inside you have 2 boxes. One, I'm assuming, is DVR, and the other one would be the cameras. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay, let's open the smaller one first. And yeah, this box contains cameras, wires. I believe they said 60 feet. In my case, I'm gonna have to buy 2 separate ones that are 100 feet, because 60 is not gonna be enough. And the way they do it now, they have a power supply that will power 4 cameras. So basically, one power supply, and then you get a splitter, and you split it to 4 cameras. Where's the splitter? This is the splitter right here. Okay, so out of one supply, you power 4 cameras. As far as the cameras, I believe they are Pro 530s. So not high definition, not 720p, but I think they're 500 lines. Okay, this is how they look like. It would sure help if I had a tripod. Okay. Alright, so this is one of the cameras. It looks to be pretty well made. It's called to touch, which it looks to me that they are made out of aluminum. Okay. Of course, when you need the camera to focus, they don't focus. Yeah, it's a SW Pro 530. Okay, as usual, made in China. What's nice about it is, if you noticed, the wire actually goes through the bracket. So when you actually mount the camera, on to the wall, you won't see the wire. Okay, so I think it's pretty decent. It's a decent camera. Okay, so that's how it looks. That's how it looks like, and there's 4 of them in the box. They all look the same. Now, the DVR box. This one is lighter than the camera box. Okay. Pretty simple. I'm assuming that would probably be a power supply. Okay, let's take the DVR out first. That's the power supply. What else do we have in here? We have instructions for 8-channel D1. Okay, so these are instructions, and I'm going to open them. Okay, this white box probably contains power supply and cables. Okay, we have a remote, Ethernet cable, mouse, batteries for the remote, power supply in here, I'm sure, and HDMI cable. What I like about this unit, I'm going to take this apart here, open this, show you the back of it. What I like about this unit is that it has HDMI out, which means you can basically plug it into any TV. And also it has VGA for your computer monitor, so if you have a spare computer monitor like I do, you can hook that up to here, and then if you want to put it on the big screen, you can hook up your TV to it. Ethernet, USB, and SATA, eSATA cable for your external hard drive. And from what I read, you can, let's say you need a piece of footage from a certain day and time, you can actually plug in a thumb drive or a hard drive into one of these and download that particular footage that you need. And as you can see, it's an 8-channel system. Okay, camera came with, the kit came with 4 cameras. I have 2 extra ones from Panasonic that I'm going to use. So yeah, that's it. This is the back of it, and this is the front of it. It's got a USB connection here. I believe that's a remote sensor, play, some menu buttons. It's pretty simple. Alright, so that's opening box video. Thank you for watching.